keep an eye on Reliance Communication. Economic Times paper today reported that the company will be shifting almost 5,500 of its call center employees to a third-party BPO, and as per the analyst, this move will save about 10% of the current cost. So keep an eye on Reliance Communication. Also, the new contracts to the BPOs could be announced in the next 2 to 3 weeks. And looking at this stock, it's done quite well on YTD basis, up 44%, and that's trading above all its key moving averages. Moving on to Coal India, well, the Coal Minister in an interview to Economics Time paper has said that the government is ready to split the company into smaller units in order to boost the output of the company, and it said the centre will be encouraging public-private partnership in order to increase the efficiency going forward. So keep an eye on Coal India as well. Moving on to NALCO, again as per sources, a company has increased the aluminium prices by about 4,500 rupees per ton in order to adjust to the global aluminium prices. Last time when the company increased its prices was on May 9th, when it increased the prices by about 3,500 rupees per ton. And if you look at the stock of NALCO, that's currently testing its 50-day moving average, and on YTD basis, it's not done well, down 31%. The oil marketing companies will be in focus, as the oil marketing companies have increased the petrol prices by about 75 paisa and diesel prices by 50 paisa per litre. So keep an eye on BPCL, HPCL and IOC in today's trading session. And lastly, keep an eye on the entire auto pack. Dismal May sales numbers were reported by these companies. If you look at Maruti's sales number for the month of May, that declined by about 14% on YOY basis. Tata Motors numbers declined by 23%, TVS Motors by 7%, M&M by 1%, and Ashok Leyland monthly sales number for the month of May declined by about 17%. So it was not a good month for all these auto companies.